Wuxi MINGXU Machinery Equipment Co., Limited, is a manufacturer of centerless grinder, surface grinder and other format grinders. The grinders produced are widely used in various fields. The company is located in Wuxi, covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. The company adopts ISO 9001 quality management system for management and employs many years as production technical consultants. With modern enterprise management methods and based on product quality management, the company has won unanimous praise from customers for its quality, novel design, qualified price, and perfect after-sales service. The company's consistent purpose to create enterprises, adhere to management, produce products, and provide services